Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password on Regpack. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice and make sure that you're logged into your regpack.com account. Once you're signed into your account, from the main homepage, go ahead and click on your name drop down at the bottom left and click on Edit Profile. You will then see this interface where you can go ahead and edit your profile information. Click on Edit Password and enter the new password you'd like to change to in the text box. Always make sure to create a strong password, including these criteria in it, so that you can make a secure one. Once you are done creating a password, click on Update Profile and you have successfully changed your password on Regpack. So next time you log into your account, you'll need to type in the newly updated password to get access. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.